Look at page 78. Homeostasis dalam haiwan. Look at the first two lines. Last class we already studied homeostasis in humans. Now we are going to study animals and also plants. Haiwan seperti kucing dan anjing, cat and dog. They don't have what? Sweat gland. Dogs and cats, they doesn't have sweat gland. Tidak mempunyai kelenjar peluk kecuali di tapak kaki. So where cats and dogs have the sweat gland? On their sole. Sole means tapak kaki, at their feet there, under their feet. So only there they will sweat. So you have to know the difference. Just a knowledge for y'all. Now look at the cat. If the cat, just say the cat is feeling hot, kucing berasa panas, apa yang kucing akan lakukan? What the cat will do? Menjilat bulu, lick its fur. If the cat feel hot, the cat will lick its fur. Menjilat bulu di badan supaya suhu badan berkurang, so that the body temperature decrease, to make it cool. So in exam they can ask you, kalau kucing berasa panas, apa yang kucing akan lakukan? What the cat will do? Menjilat bulunya, lick its fur. Second one, dog. Now if the dog feeling hot, what the dog will do? Menjelerkan lidah, hang out its tongue. Menjelerkan lidah. You know the tongue will be outside. Menjelerkan lidah, hang out its tongue, to make it what? Cool. Okay, third one, the cat also, even cat and dog is the same. Bulu saya menegak. Remember in humans we learn bulu roma menegak, hair erect. So even for animals also the same. Bulu saya menegak. For humans is hair. Okay. What is bulu roma? For animals is what? Fur. What they gave there? Fur. Bulu saya menegak. Why the hair erect? Why the fur erect? Why? Untuk memerangkap haba, to trap the heat, to keep the body warm. So these are the three changes in animal. So what cat will do? Lick its fur. Menjilat bulunya. Second, dog. What the dog will do? Menjelerkan lidah, hang out its tongue. Third one, cats and dog also will do the automatically will happen. Bulu roma menegak, fur erect. Why the fur erect? To trap the heat. Memerangkap haba. Okay, page 79. Now lizard, cicak. Persekitaran yang sejuk, persekitaran yang panas. Hot surrounding, cold surrounding. Hot surrounding, first point. Okay, you have to look at both sides. Compare, perbandingan. Look at both. Aktiviti badan menjadi perlahan. Body activity will be slow. Why slow? Because it's cold. So the activity will be slow. Hot, what will happen? Jantung berdegup dengan cepat. The heart will beat fast. Jantung berdegup dengan cepat. So remember, when it's cold, slow. When it's hot, fast. That is the difference you should remember. Second one, otot berfungsi pada kadar perlahan. Muscle all will be slow. Pergerakan menjadi perlahan. This side I'm talking about the sejuk. Why is it talking about sejuk? Because this sejuk all slow, slow, slow. Can you see that or not? First one, activity perlahan. Activity slow. Second one is what? Otot perlahan. Muscle will be slow. Third one, pergerakan menjadi perlahan. Movement will be slow. So when it's very cold, everything will be slow. Simple as that. Look at panas. Panas apa berlaku? Jantung berdegup dengan cepat. Heart beat fast. Second one, pergerakan pantas. Movement will be fast, like very active. So you have to remember these two. So sejuk semua perlahan, slow. Kalau panas semuanya pantas, fast. Simple. Now look at the snail, siput babi. You all know right, snail, how is the body of the snail? Like watery. So look at the point there, menghasilkan benda air. Produces fluid. Fluid means liquid. Like just now I told you, like watery, like that. Menghasilkan benda air. For what is that fluid? Untuk mengurangkan penyejatan air. To reduce evaporation. Look at the point again. What the snail will do? Menghasilkan benda air dan mencari tempat lembab. The snail always will be at a humid place. What is humid place? Tempat lembab. Like wet place. Apa itu tempat lembab? Wet place. So in English we will say humid place. Like cold, like chill, like dark place, wet place, tempat lembab. So what snail produce? Fluid. Siput babi menghasilkan benda air. For what? Untuk mengurangkan penyejatan. To reduce evaporation. If not, the water all lost already, it will dry. Then it cannot move. So what snail will do? Menghasilkan benda air. Produce fluid. Enough. Next. Bees, lebah. Laba-laba is spider. This is lebah. Page 79, the picture there, lebah. Okay, what lebah will do? What bees will do? Menutup spiracle. What is spiracle? Organ to breathe. It's in between that. So in between that, there's a place to breathe. So what bees will do? Menutup spiracle means cover the spiracle antara dua gerakan pernafasan untuk mengurangkan kehilangan air. To prevent water loss. So menutup spiracle. So spiracle is where somewhere here at the front. So what the bees will do? Will close the spiracle. To cover the spiracle. Why cover the spiracle? To prevent water loss. Mengurangkan kehilangan air. Next. We go for the plant. So animals already over. Sekarang kita pergi ke topik tumbuhan. Homeostasis dalam tumbuhan. Page 80. Okay, look at the second paragraph up there. The red word. Apa itu transpirasi? Air hilang daripada daun. Water loss. What is transpiration? Water loss. Okay, like for example, you have a pot of plant at home. First day you pour water. After about 3 days or 4 days, what happened to the plant? You didn't pour water. Layu. Layu in English. Wilt. W-I-L-T. In Malay, what we say? Layu. L-A-Y-U. In English, what we will say? Wilt. W-I-L-T. Wilt. Listen properly, they can ask this in your exam. Like 3 days, they doesn't pour water. Apa akan berlaku? Mati ya? Layu. Layu. It will wilt. You cannot say dry. You must say wilt. Got it? Okay? Now, after it dry, we won't say dry. What we will say? Wilt. Okay, sekarang pokok tu sudah layu. Kenapa pokok itu layu? Kehilangan air. Use the science term. Why the plant wilt? Water loss. Kenapa tumbuhan layu? Kehilangan air. Water loss. Second paragraph. Air daripada tumbuhan hilang melalui satu proses, iaitu transpirasi. So what is transpiration? Water loss. Simple. Humans got transpiration. Only plants. Transpiration. T. Transpirasi. T. Untuk tumbuhan. English you don't have that way lah. But remember both. T. Transpirasi. T for tumbuhan. So transpirasi only for plants. What is transpiration? Water loss. From where the water loss? Daun. From where the water loss? Leaf. Through the leaf. Dalam proses transpirasi, air hilang daripada daun, from the leaf, dalam bentuk wap air melalui stoma. Tadi cikgu sudah lukis. Just now teacher already draw on the whiteboard. How is the stoma? Beans. Like two beans. Like two beans. Apa kita panggil? Sel pengawal. Guard cell. The two like the shape like a bean. Bentuknya macam kacang. Itu dipanggil sel pengawal. Lubang tu dipanggil apa? Stoma. The hole is stoma. Kadang-kala stoma buka, kadang-kala stoma tutup. Sometimes the stoma open, sometimes the stoma is closed. A box there. Got two dotted points in that box. First point. Transpirasi membantu tumbuhan menyerap dan mengangkut air dan mineral dari tanah ke seluruh bahagian tumbuhan. Like you know, you pour water for the plant. When you pour water for the plant, who will absorb the water? Roots. Akar. What will absorb the water? Akar. Roots will absorb the water. What the roots will absorb? Only water. Minerals. What the root will do? Menyerap air dan mineral. Absorb water and mineral. Remember that clear. So look at the point there. Tumbuhan menyerap dan mengangkut air dan mineral dari tanah, from the soil, ke seluruh bahagian tumbuhan, to whole parts of the plant. Siapa yang akan menyerap? Akar akan menyerap. Menyerap apa? Air dan mineral. Water and minerals from the soil. Okay, done. Second one. Penyejatan air daripada daun menyejukkan tumbuhan pada hari panas. Okay, just now we learned already, plant lose the water. Kehilangan air. Kenapa kehilangan air? Tadi kita belajar tentang anjing. If the dog feel hot, what the dog will do? Hang out its tongue. Menjelirkan lidah. Now, cat feel hot. What cat will do? Menjilat bulu. Lick its fur. That is animals. Now we are talking about plants. Now plants also will feel hot. What plants will do? Kehilangan air. Why the water loss? Untuk menyejukkan tumbuhan. To keep the plants cool. So why the water loss? So look at the point there. Menyejukkan tumbuhan pada hari panas. But here they gave penyejatan. Evaporation. But what is the process? Transpirasi. It's the same. So kenapa tumbuhan kehilangan air? Why the plant loses the water? To keep it cool. Menyejukkan tumbuhan. Clear? Muka surat 80. Look at the picture first. Okay, bahagian bawah adalah apa? Akar. There's a root. So what the root will do? Absorb, menyerap air dan mineral. Absorb water and mineral. So it absorb water, mineral. Go where? To whole parts of the plant. Ke seluruh bahagian tumbuhan. Okay. Then later what will happen? Kehilangan air. Bagaimana kehilangan air? Melalui stoma. How the water is lost? Through the stoma. Apa itu stoma? Lubang. Itu dipanggil liang-liang kecil. There's a leaf, right? On the leaf there got small pores. Itu dipanggil liang-liang kecil. That is stoma. Tiny pores. We call that stoma. So how the water loss? Through the stoma. Page 81. Stoma. Title. Cell pengawal. What is cell pengawal? The two cells. Remember I told you look like a beans. The two cells. Cell pengawal. Mengawal pembukaan dan penutupan stoma. Opening of stoma, closing of stoma. So who open and close the stoma? Sel pengawal. Sel pengawal buka. Sel pengawal tutup. That's what sel pengawal. Pada waktu siang, daytime. Pada waktu siang, look at the words there. Stoma terbuka. Where is daytime now? Daytime. Sun already out. Daytime. So daytime stoma open. Why stoma open? Pertukaran gas. Okay, now yang ini adalah stoma. Pertukaran gas. Apa gas masuk? Karbon dioksida. Apa gas keluar? Oksigen. Because humans is opposite. Kita bebas karbon dioksida. Tumbuhan menyerap karbon dioksida. We release carbon dioxide, plants absorb carbon dioxide. So where the gas go? Through the stoma. Melalui stoma. So apa yang berlaku melalui stoma? Pertukaran gas. Another one more just now we studied. Apa yang keluar melalui stoma? Wap air. What comes out through the stoma? Wap air. Not air. Water cannot come out direct. You can't see that. What come out? Wap air. Water vapor. So look at the point. Pada masa yang sama, at the same time, wap air akan hilang daripada daun. Water vapor lost through the leaf. Dan hal ini akan meningkatkan kadar penyerapan air oleh akar. So you must remember, when water loss, what happened to the root? Water absorbed. Through the leaf, water loss. What the roots will do? Absorb the water. So it's a cycle. Itu dipanggil proses apa? Transpirasi. So apa itu transpirasi? Kehilangan air. Water loss. Melalui apa? Stoma. Stoma untuk apa? Gas exchange. Pertukaran gas. Another one more. Wap air hilang. So you must remember, stoma got two function. Satu pertukaran gas. Lagi satu kehilangan wap air. Water vapor loss. Okay, look at the down part. Pada waktu siang. During the day. Pada waktu siang, stoma buka. The stoma is open, buka. Okay, supaya lebihan air tersejar daripada daun melalui transpirasi. So that water loss through transpiration. When the stoma close? Don't tell night time. Pada suhu terlalu tinggi. Some of them they wrongly understand. They will think, oh, daytime open, nighttime close. No, daytime open, nighttime also open. Because daytime, pada waktu siang, apa gas keluar? Oksigen. Oksigen keluar. Pada waktu malam, like us, karbon dioksida keluar. So siang pun buka, malam pun buka. Bila tutup? Pada suhu yang terlalu tinggi. When the temperature is too high. Like very hot, damn hot. When it's damn hot, what happened to the stomach? Tertutup. Why? Pada suhu yang terlalu tinggi, stoma akan tertutup untuk mengurangkan air, to reduce water loss. Because if it's too hot, the stoma open, more water will be lost. Banyak air akan hilang. So pada suhu terlalu tinggi, stoma tutup. So it will be open, it will be closed. Siapa buka, siapa tutup? Sel pengawal, guard cell. Who open and close the stoma? Guard cell, sel pengawal. Keep waktu siang, during the day. Why? Pertukaran gas dan kehilangan buang air, stoma buka. Pada waktu malam pun buka. Pada waktu malam pun buka. Bila tutup? Pada suhu terlalu tinggi. When the temperature is too high, it will be closed. Why is it closed? Mengurangkan kehilangan air. Okay? To reduce water loss. Chapter is already over.